Please come. Please come.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Please come.
Thank you, sir.
So Muskan,
Yes, sir.
it's a very good name.
Yes, sir.
And which place are you from?
Sir, I am from Panipat, Haryana.
Panipat, Haryana. Okay. So tell me something about Panipat. What kind of place it is? What kind of developments are going on? And where do you see your place in next about 5 years?
Yes, sir. Sir, about history, I can say that there are three battles of Panipat were fought there, and there is a all refinery there, and also the handloom market is very famous there, and I see Panipat in the next 5 years as a developed district, which will be improved very much in field of education and in sanitization facilities and also cleanliness.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is Panipat famous for? Apart from these battles.
Okay, sir. Sir, Panipat is famous for blanket market, and there are we can buy blankets at very cheap rates there.
So can you tell me something about three battles of Panipat? When were they fought and between whom?
Yes, sir. Sir, first battle of Panipat was fought in 1526 between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi.
Okay.
Yes,
Nice.
sir. And in that battle, Babur won the battle, and after that, in second battle of Panipat, it was fought on in 1576, as I guess, and it was between Humayun and actually, sir, I forgot the
No
name.
problem.
And third battle was fought in, I guess, 1731, and it was between Marathas and Afghanistan's rulers.
So you are happy about Panipat? The place
Yes.
is nice.
Yes,
Now you are in Dehradun.
yes, sir.
Okay. And is this the first time you have come to Dehradun?
Yes, sir.
So how do you find the place?
Sir, it is a very beautiful place, and I have feel that here temperature is very normal. Sometimes it goes high, but it is normal here, and there is lot of greenery here, and I also saw many different kinds of flora and fauna here, and a few days ago I also saw kingfisher, and I also saw hummingbird there.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So Muskan, during next few minutes, we will talk about you and discuss various issues like your education,
Yes, sir.
your family, your interest, your hobbies, spare time activities in detail.
Yes,
I have some idea about you from this PhD form that you given,
yes,
but feel free to discuss
yes,
more
sir.
about yourself.
Sure.
Since you are a student,
Yes, sir.
you will start with the education.
Okay, sir.
If you tell me about your education starting from class 8 onwards,
Yes, sir.
I would be interested to know about your favorite subjects and the subjects that you did not like that much, efforts put in by you towards co-curricular, extracurricular activities
Yes, sir.
that were available to you, which activities did you participate, and what has been your achievement in those activities.
Okay, sir.
Tell me about your friend circle, who are your close friends, why they are close, and about the friends whom you avoided. Teachers whom you like very much and the ones you did not get impressed with.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about your ambition in life and how and what efforts have you put to achieve your ambition so far, and what efforts are you going to put in future.
Yes, sir. From 8th class, I completed my 8th class from DAV Police Public School, which is a CBSE affiliated school, and I was very good in academics there. I got around, yes, I got to 93.6% there in my, and as it was DAV affiliated board. So there were DAV board exam, and in my co-curricular activities, I used to participate in debate competition and yoga competitions. I do yoga. I learn yoga for about 1 year, and also go to many competitions outside my district and in Pundri, Kethal, and I also do many. I also participated in many painting competitions,
Okay.
and I also got first position in a painting competition, which was inter school competition there, and and sir, and I always try new things, and I like to try new things. I like to indulge myself in extracurricular activities so that I can give my best in everything.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And also my favorite teachers were all were my favorite teachers, and the most favorite teacher was my Santosh ma'am, and she was my English teacher. She always motivated me to speak in English, and always try to inculcate many good things in me. She always said me that it is not about result. Just not think about result. Just think about your performance. Yes, sir. And about my friends, I will say that I have many friends in school, and one of my best friend is Sarika. She's my friend from class 5th onwards in my daily Pulisippi school, and we are still in contact. But for a few days, I was not able to maintain that much contact because of my studies. But she's my good friend. Yes, sir.
What is your ambition in life?
Sir, my ambition in life is to become not to only become a successful person, but also become a good human being. And I always wanted that my parents will feel proud of me. Yes, sir.
So you have done class 12.
Yes, sir.
Have you taken admission in some college?
No, sir.
So what are the other career-related competitions have you appeared? This time you are for NDA.
Yes, sir.
But what other competitions have you done?
Sir, I have applied for JEE Mains
Hmm.
and JEE Advanced.
JEE means how many marks you got?
Sir, 85 percentile.
So you appeared in JEE Advanced also?
Yes, sir.
How many marks did you get?
Sir, I got 36 marks. I was not able to clear the cutoff.
What was the cutoff?
Sir, for OBC, it was about 93 or 97. It was 97. Yes, sir.
And for main general category?
For general, it was 110.
But why you could not score more than 36?
I think, sir, I focused more on my board exam, so I was not able to.
NDA, how many times have you given?
Sir, it is my first time.
Okay.
Yes.
But you had one chance last year also in September.
Sir, I was not aware of that.
So you want to become a successful person
Yes, sir.
and a good human being. Career is secondary.
Sir, if we are becoming a successful person as well as a good human being, then it will also count in your career, because career is a combination, or we can say that a bundle of our experiences. Yes, sir.
So, what is your idea of a good human being and a successful person?
Yes, sir. About good human being, I would say that be selfless to others, and always helping others, not to indulge in any wrong things.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And also try to help others in their activities, and always motivate others. Never demotivate anyone. And for a successful person, I would say that that you have a that you have a good opportunity of getting money, and also so that your parents will feel proud on you.
Very.
Yes,
So you have applied for military.
yes, sir.
So why military?
Sir, actually, since I have written on my PIQ that I from my fifth class I was studying in DAV Police Public School, and it was in police line, and I saw the most of the police officers there doing parade in the garden, in the ground, and I was so motivated from them. And also incident that I wanted to tell you, that when I was around 4 years, I went to a mela, and then I somehow got lost there, and at that time I was just crying, and then a man came, officer, a policeman came to me, and then he take me to the announcement section, and as soon as my parents heard my name in the announcement, and they just came there to collect me, and this way when my mother tell me that incident, I got so motivated from that what is the that what selfless they are, and how helping they are. So I just wanted to become that selfless person and helpful person, and also serve my nation. Yes,
So do you remember that incident or you don't remember?
sir. Yes, I remember.
You also remember?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now that you want to join, what are the qualities in your personality
Yes,
as per your assessment that will make you a good military person?
yes, sir. Sir, first quality I would tell that it will be confidence.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And it will be teamwork, discipline, organized man, and always take care of others also.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then give me some example from your life where you have taken care of somebody else.
Yes, sir. Sir, I whenever my parents go out of house, I used to take care of my home, and whenever my brother and sister got stuck in any uh, problem, I used to take care of them, and I also tried to help them out. Help them out.
Okay. And who's your role model in life?
Sir, my role model is my father. Yes.
So what co-curricular, extracurricular activities you have done, and what have been your achievements in those activities?
Sir, I done my yoga, and also participated in painting competitions.
Okay. So what type of painting you do?
Sir, I do monochromatic paintings in which we use one color and do the whole painting, and abstract paintings also.
So how many paintings have you made, and where are these paintings now?
So actually, for our according to our curriculum, we have to make 15 to 20 paintings in our art file.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So I have made the paintings, and now it is in my school.
So
Which
this monochromatic means which color do you use?
Sir, monochromatic means a single color, and we use a single color and different tones of that colors to do that painting.
So this single color can be color, any color, or
Yes.
it can be black or white.
It can be black, sir. It can be brown, anything color except white, because it is made of one color.
Okay.
We only use one color in that painting.
So if not military, what other career is on your mind?
So I will appear for UPSC exam, because because I wanted to do that.
UPSC, which field you would like to go? IAS, IPS,
Sir, IAS.
IAS.
Yes.
So what is the difference between IAS and IRS?
Sir, I don't know. Sorry, I will find out.
Have you studied about IAS, IRS? What is
No,
the
sir.
difference? Okay, that tells me something about your education background, and I am sure you will continue to work hard.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me about your family. I would like to know about your father, your mother, their education, their occupation. How do you spend time together? Your activities at home. Okay. Whom do you approach when you have a problem or when you want to confide some secret? What are the activities in which you personally involve with the family members at home?
Yes, sir.
Who are your friends in the neighborhood? And what kind of social, cultural or other activities you participate in their company?
Okay, sir. Sir, my father name is Rajneesh Rizwan, and he is an agent, and he has done his JBT and BA. He has done his JBT and BA, and my mother is a teacher who works in a private sector, and she has done her BEd and BA. And about my family, and they are both motivating for me.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And they always motivated me to do my best. No, and not to think about the result. Just focus on your performance. And I have two siblings. My both siblings are twins.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And they are in 10th class now. And I usually spend my spare time with my family by cooking food dishes, and I also watch movies with them. Yes, sir. And I used to when I was in 10th class, I used to go with my father and my siblings to nearby park and then play cricket with them, and with them. Also, in my neighborhood, actually, sir, I live in where I live. All my family members also live here, as it is a joint family. So all my live here, and I used to go their home and also spend time with them. Whenever, even if they got in any problem, I used to go there and take care of them. Yes, sir.
So whom do you share your problems and how much pocket money do you spend?
Sir, I share my problems with my mom, and I do not get any actual pocket money. But whenever I need, I just ask my mother or father, and they give me. Yes, sir.
So, who knows your secrets?
Sir, my mother.
Mother. Which is the biggest secret you have told her?
Sir, biggest secret. Sir, it is not like I do not have that much secret, but I used to told her my daily routines which I do.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have two siblings who are
Yes.
2 years younger than you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you share the room with them,
Yes, sir.
or you have a different room and they have a different room.
So we all sleep together.
So, among the three of you, who is the best person?
Sir, according to me, actually, since except my role model is my sister, my younger sister. She is a hockey player,
Okay.
and she is very much determined towards her sports that she never think about her injuries. She always motivated
Very
me.
strong.
Yes, sir.
And what do you learn from her?
Sir, dedication towards work, and also she is multitasking. Even after going to the playground, she used to come school, she used to come house, and then started doing her study. And she balance both things very accurately. And I just wanted to become her, become like her.
Like her.
Yes.
So, since there are two of them at home, who helps mother maximum? You or your other sister?
Sir, she's actually me because she mostly time she goes to her ground for her practice and sometimes go for tournaments also. So yes.
And how much are you able to help them in their studies?
Sir, whenever they face in problem in any subject, I used to um, I used to solve them because I have a blackboard at my home and I used to narrate the points which she is liking and also tell her mistake.
So now, as an elder child in the house,
Yes.
what are the activities in which you help your mother?
In my head, yes sir. I always help my mother in household works and as my mother is also a teacher and also she sometimes needs to do her work of the school, so I always motivated her to do her work instead of looking at household works because it is more important. And and I always motivated her to continue her education.
What is the age of the parents?
Sir, my mother is around 42 years old and my father is 44 years old.
And your house is in village or it's in city?
Sir, it is in city.
City.
Yes, sir.
You have some land for agriculture?
No, sir.
No,
No, sir.
just a house.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, parents always give you some advice. So, I would like to know what advice your parents give you for your improvement.
Yes, sir. My father always told me that just focus and just give your best and leave the rest on destiny and they always motivated me always. Yes, sir.
So, have you discussed that you want to go for armed forces? They must have agreed.
Yes, sir.
Have you discussed about college? Which subject you would like to take?
Sir, I was applying for BTech courses also. Yes, sir.
So which subject you would like to be engineering?
Sir, I will prefer to do computer science or information technology.
Because you have been a good student, 95.8, 95.4%.
Yes, sir.
So, with your effort, I think you can get any college.
Sir, but because now counseling is done on the basis of JEE mains, and I have not scored that much marks. So I'm just my counseling is going on, and then I will.
Have you been placed in any college? No, not
No,
yet.
sir, not yet.
So, pocket money, there is no concept.
No, sir.
Okay. So, tell me, what are your spare time activities? What do you do in spare time? What games and sports do you play with your friends, with your neighbors, with your family? What type of reading habits you have?
Yes.
Books, magazines, or anything? What kind of TVs you watch? TV programs, newspaper. What routine do you follow when you are at home and on holiday?
Okay, sir. Sir, I usually do whenever I got spare time. I used to do paintings.
Okay.
Yes, actually, it is my hobby also, and I am so much interested in them. And I used to listen motivation songs, and also doing walking with my mom in my spare time.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And with my friends, actually, sir, I was due to my academics, I was not so much able to play with them. Yes, sir. And I was not so much able to play with them. And sir, could you please repeat the
About
question?
your reading habits, television watching habits, and your routine.
Sir, actually, I have just read about my academic subject only, and I do not read newspapers daily.
Then how do you come to know what is happening in the world?
Sir, I'm just preparing me, and I'm preparing me to read newspapers daily.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So recently we had one G7 summit.
Sorry, sir. I
Have
have
you heard about G7?
no, sir.
G20?
No, sir.
So you don't know what time this meeting was done
No, sir.
in India? No?
No, sir.
Or Italy?
No, sir.
Okay.
I
Are you aware about the United Nations organization? What exactly it is?
No, sir.
What is UN?
Actually, I'm not good at general knowledge.
That is okay, no problem. But when was UN formed? It was formed for what purpose?
Sir, I don't know. I will find out.
Do you know about USSR? What is USSR?
No, sir.
You not heard about it?
No, sir.
Russia?
No, sir.
What is Russia?
Sir, Russia is a continent.
Okay. Russia is a continent or something else?
Continent.
Or it's a country? Is it a continent or is it a country?
Sir,
What
it
is,
is
the, what is the difference between continent and country?
sir, in the east of the earth, there is Asia, and in that Asia, there is India is a country. Yes, sir.
So, can you give any other example of continent and country? Asia and India is one,
Yes, sir.
but any other example? A continent and country, different country, different continent.
Sir, I'm not so much aware.
You are for which service? Army, Navy, Air Force?
Yes, sir, army.
Army. Okay. And India is a country which is surrounded by sea from three sides. Are you aware with three seas?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal,
Hmm.
and
Doesn't matter. Have you heard about the religious places like Badrinath, Kedarnath? Where are they?
sir, they are in Uttarakhand.
Are they in Uttarakhand? I'm sure.
Yes, sir.
So you come from Panipat.
Yes, sir.
So you came from Panipat to here.
Yes,
You came by train. You came by road.
sir, by bus.
Which were the major stations that were there in route?
Sir, major stations. It was
रास्ते में कौन से स्टेशन है?
sir, Shamli
Okay.
and so sorry, sir.
18 station था.
No,
You
sir.
are there. What is JBT? You said your father, mother is JBT.
Yes, sir.
What is JBT?
Sir, I'm not aware.
Your relative mother is BA in JBT. What is BA in JBT?
Sir, Bachelor of Arts, and JBT, I do not have any idea about it.
But you have written, that's why I'm asking. I have also not heard this thing before.
Sir, my mother has.
Okay. So, see, we have discussed about your education, about your family, about your interests, about your general awareness, all those things. But nobody knows you more than yourself.
Yes, sir.
You know yourself maximum. Now, suppose I ask you that what do you feel are two biggest plus points of your personality, and two areas where you feel improvement is possible.
Sir, I would think that I am a disciplined girl and obedient also. I never try to break the rules. I always try to follow the rules. And the improvement that I needed is in my general awareness and in my English conversation.
So, I have been asking a lot of questions to you,
Yes.
from this side. It is not fair,
Yes, sir.
but I want to give you a chance that if you have any question, you can ask.
Sir, I want to ask you that what motivated you to join Navy?
We wanted to join armed forces because my school was next to the IMA. We studied in a school where our gate and IMA gate were just side by side. And we used to see the cadets
Yes, sir.
during the training. So that was reason number one. Reason number two, my father was posted in the Indian Military Academy as a civilian. So it came to our mind that my father is working as a civilian, I should wear the uniform.
Yes.
That is reason number two. Third reason is, when the chance came my way, it was for the Navy, so I applied for it and got selected. I joined the Navy.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
And what are the other things you are doing for preparing for the competition now?
Sir, I'm just making my habit to read newspapers and getting general awareness.
Okay, Muskan, very nice talking to you, and I am very thankful for you to share
Yes.
your life experiences and about your life with us. I can only say good luck with an advice that continue working hard, and hard work will give result definitely.
Yes.
All the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.